can sit up. So let us see what it is. Stay safe. That means you should never give your personal information to anyone you don't know on the internet. If I am calling you and you don't know me, then you should not share any of your details with me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, so remember, the unreal site has to just fool you once. Okay, somebody can just fool you only once and you'll get hacked. But we have to be aware all the time.
Thank you, WhiteHat Jr, for making our youth techno safe.
The teachers from our platform have come together and we have managed to reach out to children from across the country.
The best part was that, the bond that we developed with all the students was wonderful.